Hello and welcome. I am Tahir from Androidia, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily add subscribe now button to your videos using KineMaster video editor. Now first of all you will have to download a free subscribe now button. It's very simple and easy. Pixabay.com offers a lot of free animations and videos for subscribe now button. So you can simply Google subscribe button GIF and then write Pixabay. So pixabay.com is a website where you can find a lot of free subscribe now animations. I have already downloaded some animations. As you can see a lot of results. Now you just need to download any animation of your choice. Here you can see a video. And you can use these animations free of cost. You don't need to pay for them, and it is free for commercial use and no attribution is required. So simply visit pixabay.com and search for subscribe now buttons or subscribe GIF and then download GIF of your choice. Here you can see we have different options available. Different qualities are available. Now after downloading these animations, you need to use KineMaster. So let's see how you can use KineMaster to add subscribe now button to your videos. Now simply start KineMaster and you need to open your project. I have already a sample project, so let's open this one. And now let's add a subscribe now button to our video. Tap on layer, select media, and now we need to select our button. So here you can see I have two buttons, a black one and this one. Let's try this one. Change its duration, and now go to chroma key, enable this one and choose black. Now here we can see our button. And let's play our video. Now you can see it is working. We just need to move it properly. So now you just need to change its location, and that's all. This is how you can easily add subscribe now button to your videos using KineMaster.